I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your YouTube TV 4K Plus streaming subscription. And to be clear, this won't cancel your YouTube TV subscription. This will only cancel the separate subscription in your YouTube TV account that enables you to stream in 4K. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com. and then sign into your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu and then click Settings in this menu. Step 3. Make sure Membership is selected in the menu on this screen. You'll see the current services that you pay for and also premium services you can subscribe to. Step 4. Scroll down this menu until you find 4K Plus and then click Cancel associated with that option. The next screen asks if you're sure you want to cancel 4K Plus streaming. Step 5. Click Yes, Cancel. Your 4K Plus subscription on your YouTube TV account will be canceled immediately. You can check that service and look for the red text to see what date you'll have access to 4K streaming through. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.